Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to make OmeTV full screen in 2026. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, open your browser and go to the OmeTV website. You will see the normal OmeTV interface on the screen. Now, move your mouse over the webcam area and you will notice a new full screen option appear. Click on it and OmeTV will instantly go into full screen mode. This is very useful if you are streaming or recording OmeTV videos because there are no browsers showing on the screen. It also makes editing much easier and improve the overall experience while using OmeTV. To exit full screen, just press the F11 key and everything will go back to normal. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.